Do you want to know what the most common mistakes people make are when they're shopping for a massage chair? Which features are a waste of your money and which ones are actually the most important ones to focus on? The answer may surprise you. So go ahead and click on the link in the description below so you can download our free massage chair buyer's guide, where we include for you the top 10 most important considerations to make, so that way you end up with a chair that you and your family will really enjoy for many years to come. So go ahead and click on that and download your free massage chair buyer's guide today.